Hi, welcome back. Today I'm doing a small wood sign for a customer that I do farmer market with. And what I use is fence posting with cedar. It's 5.5 by 8 foot, I believe. 6 or 8 foot, I can't remember what it is. But yeah. I've done the horses already for him. I cut them down to 16 inches. I figured out because it says you can only do like 15 inches. What I do is move the plank all the way over on one side to start that horse. Then I rotate it. And then I reverse the horse the way it's supposed to be and move the plank over. That way you get the full 16 inches instead of the basic 15 inches that it says that you have. But yeah. And the other stuff that I've done is I've changed the speeds and power, because basic power is 40, the speed is at like 3,000, so I jumped the speed up to 5,000 and the power up to 60, just to get the depth of what I'm looking for the sign. But so far I'm happy how it's coming out. It's actually looking really good. What I'll do next after this is I'll sand it down, and I won't even stain it. I'll just put a clear coat on it, which will give it its own deeper color. Because what I use for this clear coat is I'll just shellac it. It says it's a clear, but it winds up being like a darker clear than what it is. So I'll do that after I sand it. Then I usually put down like 2 or 3 coats on it. That way I know it's going to last. And then I'll put the D hooks on it. That way they can hang it up. But other than that, yeah, I've been working on that and then some other projects. Trying to work on a clock project, but with the 5.5 inch board, the hands of the clock don't match up. They hang over quite a bit, and I've used the smallest one there was, but it still hangs over. So I'm going to have to probably laser engrave my own. That way they'll be perfect for what I want. But basically that's all I got for today. I know these videos are really short. I'm not good at doing videos per se, but I appreciate everybody that watches the videos. Thank you very much. It helps me out. The more comments and the more likes and subs that I get, the better I'll get at it. Because I do have another channel. It's basically dedicated to automotive maintenance and technical work on that channel over there. I think I've linked it in the down below. So I really appreciate you guys for watching the videos. Like I said, thank you very much. It helps me out quite a bit. And I will hopefully start doing laser engraving content at least once a week on different projects that I'm working on. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you very much. Bye.